Ow, stepped on the thing. Ouch. Alright, it's Saturday, January 4th. That would be 4 for all you people that are not southern rednecks. 4. Hold on a second. Just got up like a second. Oh wait, there's that noise again. Oh look, I'm perfect timing. Let me just show you how great it is out today. I'm gonna see something someday what's making that noise. The wind is kicking. I mean, it's not bad, but it's a good wind, like. You know when you have that good wind and it smells clean? Like there's not one thing in the clouds. In the clouds. There's probably a lot of things in the clouds. There's not one thing in the sky. The simulator is out all by itself. The moon's probably behind this tree. Usually is, following it. Look at that. Absolutely nothing. It is clear. I don't know if that's a good sign or what, because we'll see in about an hour or two. But I don't see nothing yet. Oh, I don't want to step on the wet grass. Let me see if there's anything over the roof. Where's my evil birds? No, not you two. Get out of the mud. Get out of that sandy part. No. You're gonna get that all over my floor. Anyway, we're gonna mark today. We're gonna mark today like a dog in heat, people. I'm gonna guess it's around 8:30, 9 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna guess because I don't know. So it is perfect out. It's almost perfect degree. I don't know, it's probably like high 70s. I don't know. It's not really cold, but it's not hot. The wind is good. All right. My son came up to me last night. And this thing, oh, look at the squirrel. Eels, you don't see him? He's eating. He's eating breakfast. Shut up. Let's see what he does. Oh well, okay. He left. Good try, good try, good try. It's alright. It's alright. You'll get him next time. You'll get him next time. It's okay. You'll get him next time. You will. It's okay. Oh, whoa. Almost fell out of the tree that time. You'll get him next time. It's okay. Everybody gets a trophy. It's alright. Alright, come on. Whoa. Wait. Let me go for. Whoa. Wait. No. Dirty feet, McGee. Wait. Door. No. River. Wrong dog. Like, no. You stay. I'm like, no. Gosh. Trying to teach them how to wipe their feet. It's not working. All right. Shh. No loud barking, please. Ow. Okay. Get all clean on my blanket. Ah.